Moisturizing face mask with avocado. If your skin looks dry and dull, this face mask is just what you need. Take a ripe avocado and cut it into halves. Scoop out 1 teaspoon of it and put it into a small bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of thick yogurt to it. You can use Greek yogurt, then mix up the ingredients. The mask is ready when you get a thick and creamy paste. But even if you get some lumps, it's still okay. How to use. Apply the mask onto your face with your clean fingers, avoiding the areas around eyes and mouth. Rinse off with cool water after 10 minutes, and pat dry your face. To achieve even better result with this mask, you can do some facial steaming before applying the mask. The benefits of the ingredients. Avocado is rich in antioxidants, phytochemicals, vitamins A, E, C, and B group. It also contains calcium and potassium. All these nutrients make the skin healthy and youthful, prevent premature aging, properly nourish and moisturize it. Plain, natural yogurt contains lactic acid, B vitamins, zinc and calcium, so it nourishes and moisturizes dry skin. The lactic acid provides gentle exfoliation and gives a skin lightening effect. It helps fade acne scars and blemishes. Zinc serves as a preventive agent against acne, and B vitamins help the skin stay youthful and hydrated. Notes: ripe or even overripe avocado is the best for this mask. Use only plain, natural, white and unsweetened yogurt for this mask that contains no additives or flavoring. Use a headband to protect your hairline from avocado and yogurt sticking to your hair strands.